Hello everyone, it's NanoPlating again. We are testing the performance of the Buchi R210. As you can see, I already started up and just take this vacuum, just providing 19 millibar. Just to put our glass line. The last line, rubber line. This is rubber line too, not this one. So everything just works perfect. So and you look at the serial number. The serial number of water bath, and also the instrument, as you can see. So this is the instrument. Now, let's just give it a stop. Now, you see, it's gonna stop almost the same, 20 millibar. And that means this sealing is perfectly fine. You see this one? Those sealings, all perfect. And this is extremely well maintained rotor valve. So I'm gonna let it on vacuum. So we're gonna test it again. So as you see, I'm gonna say start. Immediately it's just gonna start. Okay. Meantime, let's just give it a try. Look, nice and clean. Up and down. Working fine. And let's just give it a try. So, very smooth and good. You can turn it faster, slower, stop, and whatever you want. So you can see you're going to get 20 millibar, which is perfectly fine. Okay, so now again I'm going to stop. You see it's holding the vacuum perfectly fine. And I'm gonna release the air inside. So let's just give it another try. Okay, just now, let's see if we can just use the vacuum controller and adjust it to the certain vacuum level. So now just set it at for 0 millibar. So I'm gonna set it for around 300 millibar, and you see this one, and I'm just gonna press the push button. Okay. So we set it for 300 millibar, and now I'm just gonna ask start. You see, when it's close to 300 millibar, the vacuum just gonna behave itself, and you just set it up for exactly 300 millibar, and it is perfectly fine instrument, and I like that. I'm a chemist and I'm using this for my own lab, and I'm just happy with that. So the next test, I'm just gonna show you even at 20 millibar, the water start boiling. Okay. Okay, now we add some little water at room temperature. Here it's just almost 15 degrees centigrade, almost, I don't know exactly. So you see some, I put some, I poured some boiling stone, just in order to just not just superheated water and super boiled water in here. Just I don't want it to bump it into the instrument. So now I just set it to just the maximum vacuum, and I'm just going to push start. Immediately start vacuuming, and you see here when the pressure goes to 90 something, let me just stop for a little. You see, start boiling at room temperature. You see, it's boiling. 20 millibar, 28. Now it's boiling. So that's again showing everything's perfectly fine. Boiling water at room temperature. So 23 millibar. And it is good. Okay. So once again, that's a very good instrument. With also the trap accessory. I haven't even installed that yet. That's okay. So boiling. One more thing, 20 or 19 millibar is almost 15 torr. Just a different unit. You can set it up with this controller. Now it's 15 torr. Okay. So I hope that I can see you in my next video. And see you again.